I'm in the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, looking out over Clarendon Park and the field house and the ball fields, and there's tennis there and softball, soccer and football across Lakeshore Drive in Lincoln Park, and the Montrose Beach and Harbor. I'm at 811 Uptown in a one-bedroom guest suite. If you're a resident here, you can rent this for your guests. Building has lavish amenities, including a pool deck that you're looking out on from this unit. The apartment is furnished with everything your guests will need to be right at home, and even a full set of cookware, dishware, etc. if they want to whip up their own meals. A sleek kitchen with white and gray quartz counters. There's a deep farm-style sink in the peninsula, a wide breakfast bar lip. Kitchen has a 4-burner gas range. Stainless steel appliance package includes an under-counter microwave. Dishwasher, of course. You have contrasting white and espresso stained cabinetry. White tile backsplash. In-unit washer dryer that you're going to find in all of the units. But this one comes furnished with ironing board, vacuum, even though what you have is plank flooring extending throughout the units. 2 terrific walls of windows here, looking out to the north and looking west toward the sunset and the nearby Wilson Avenue L stop. Look at the bedroom. Again, the plank flooring and a wall of windows. Plenty of space for furniture. The bedroom is set up with a king-size bed. And I'm heading into an oversized bath. Very nice looking vanity. It's wide, it has a bank of drawers for storage. Light framed designer mirror. And a deep soaking tub with a rain shower head. If you know anyone who's looking for an apartment in the Uptown neighborhood and they want to be close to everything, send them to 811 Uptown. Then you can visit and stay in the guest suite. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.